It is our last day in Pokhara.
Take me home.
These three ladies are up next for a karaoke song. नहीं पता क्या गाने वाले हैं, लेकिन बियर असर कर चुकी है और कुछ तो निकलने वाला है.
Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. It is our last day in Pokhara. We have just finished packing all of our stuff. It's in the room right now. We've just come down to grab something to eat and also अभी हम लोग recharge shop में हैं क्योंकि हमने जो फ़ोन का recharge करवाया था that was for a week and that expired last night. So we need
Good morning.
so we need another 1-2 दिन टेक्निकली आज के लिए चाहिए बस बट 3 days का कुछ यहाँ पे है विच वी आर गेटिंग डन. Oh, 1 day का week और oh cool. Hey, we had planned that you'll teach me how to teach me cycling also. Oh yeah, that's why we didn't. Guys, I don't know how to cycle and मेरा बचपन से सपना रहा है कि मैं साइकिलिंग करूं.
बचपन से सपना लंबा होने का भी रहा.
नहीं, वो ऑनेस्टली सपना नहीं रहा है कभी. That has never been a factor for me. Like,
क्या बोलते हो? आपको क्या लगता है इसका सपना रहा होगा?
अपना सपना मनी मनी. Anyway, cycling has been one of my dreams.
ये देखो.
One of my look who's come to meet us. Hi.
Date 55 है ना?
How are you feeling today? Are you sleepy?
He looks like a beagle only यार.
He looks like a Boston Terrier.
पक्का beagle ही looks like.
No, not beagle.
Look here.
Thank you, guys. Let's go. Recharge is done. So yeah, I was telling you guys that cycling has been one of my बचपन का सपना. बट मैंने एक बार सीखने का ट्राई किया था when I was I think लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे ही था या तो अराउंड दैट टाइम मैंने एक बार सीखने का ट्राई किया था. बट देन 5 दिन मैंने सीखा था एंड ऑन द 5th डे no, I think something happened. I don't remember. Yeah, that dream is still a dream for me. So when we were here, we had seen a few people cycle on the road and मुझे ऐसे फील्स आ गया था. तो हम लोग ऐसे डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि on 1 or 2 of the days since we have time, why don't I learn cycling? But then हमने सोच विचार करके उस आइडिया को कट आउट कैंसिल कर दिया था because the roads here are all slopes, right? They're not like straight roads. So ideally it is not the best idea to learn here, is why we did not. Definitely gonna miss this view, guys. Our next task is to find a taxi that will take us to Raxol. Finally decided on a place for breakfast. Starting off strong with some caffeine. Oh la la, this looks like a spread and a half. Cute. Oh wow, what a contrast. Back at our favorite coffee place.
Yeah,
It's called
coolest coffee place here.
It's
in
called
Pokhara.
5th Street.
5th Street Coffee.
Yes.
If anyone is in Pokhara,
It's in Street 5.
Make sure you're here. Didi has a great nature, and
Yes.
she has made the best coffees for us over here. Mondays it is closed, so Monday.
Don't come on Mondays.
Don't even try. Give them a day off. Latte and cappuccino is almost same. इसमें बस milk foam ज़्यादा है.
तो क्या सीखा आज आपने?
क्या
भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के कॉफियों के बारे में सीखा आपने? Sister here has asked for the YouTube ID, so I'm leaving this here. Hehe. Shameless plug. Got our coffee.
A little later.
Guys, meet Madeline. She's finally here. And like I had showed you all in the previous vlogs, I had a small present for her. So I'm hoping she likes it. I saw all your statuses about being a desi wife. Yeah. So it is somewhere along those lines. No worries, no worries.
Oh my god, beautiful. Oh my god, thank you. That's so nice.
So there's some stuff inside the bag. Yep.
Oh my god, stop. Wait, what is this?
Open it.
Oh, I was gonna buy some of these yesterday
Yeah?
actually.
Oh, I'm glad. I was hoping you could use some of these.
Yes. Stop. Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
I'm glad you like
Oh my
it.
god. It's so nice. Why am I shaking? Beautiful. The jingle.
I'm glad you like it, yeah.
Oh my god, beautiful. Thank you.
There's a traditional
Stop
sari
it.
from where I come from.
Specialty of our state.
Thank you.
Glad you like
Beautiful. I want to get a
it.
sorry.
Yeah, I'll wait for the Instagram. Lean's treating me to a beer. Lol.
A water thing near.
So, Lucas here is married to a Nepali girl, and ma'am here is marrying a Nepali guy, exchanging notes.
Meanwhile.
What's up? Right now, I am stranded alone in the lobby of our hostel क्योंकि मैडम जी अपने फ्रेंड से मिले हैं मतलब शी इज़ माई फ्रेंड टू बट दे आर टू गर्ल्स सो दे आर टॉकिंग एंड यस मैडम जी अपने फ्रेंड से मिले हैं whose name is Madeline. I think you must have seen her in the videos. So Madeline is from the UK and she met us here itself 2 years ago and तब से Charlotte and Madeline have been good friends. Yes, the way I had promised ब्लॉग करूँगा अकेले था तो थोड़ा सा सोचा give it a try. तो here I am login and sharing with you guys one sec. Sharing with you guys myself. So the update is this that हम लोग ने एक छोटा सा इंस्टाग्राम पे पेज स्टार्ट किया था कुछ दिन पहले जिसका नाम था वासा रिकॉर्ड्स. The intention of it was not that I record someone or I record myself or anything of that sort, but हमारा ये आइडिया था कि हम लोग एक IP स्टार्ट करते हैं जिसमें हम लोग YouTube पे लाइव सेट्स पोस्ट करते हैं डिफरेंट आर्टिस्ट के एंड वी ऑल्सो वांटेड टू स्टार्ट होस्टिंग स्मॉल इवेंट्स विच वर बेस्ड ऑन solely on the grounds of music and but we were not quite successful. We tried a few things last year and towards the end we did have a collaboration with someone but it did not work out the best way possible for the both of us. तो हमारा collaboration भी थोड़ा सा फिर डिस्टर्ब हुआ. उसके बाद मुझे एक आध दो काम मिले थे जो मैंने काम किए. फिर हमने और एक आध दो छोटे इवेंट्स प्लान किए थे. होली के लिए भी कुछ प्लान किया था जो कैंसिल हो गया. तो the struggle has been real and I have had dreams of doing something like this since a long time. Coming back to Vasa Records उतने अच्छे से क्लिक नहीं हुआ and there is a certain something that I'm fingers crossed. I really hope it happens. If it happens, then my city, my state will be right back on the map of आर्ट एंड कल्चर एंड म्यूज़िक. तो मैं कुछ ऐसा सोचने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ड्रीम कर रहा हूँ, एक छोटा सा ड्रीम
काफ़ी बड़ा सा ड्रीम है, लेकिन अभी काफ़ी छोटा सा सीड है उस ड्रीम का मेरे दिमाग में, जो मैं और शाले कोशिश करने की. वी वांटेड टू चेंज द नेम ऑफ वासा रिकॉर्ड्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज वॉज नॉट एज पर्सनलाइज एज अ वासा रिकॉर्ड्स, बिकॉज वासा इज माई सरनेम. तो क्या होता है कि वाई विल पीपल वांट टू एसोसिएट विद वासा रिकॉर्ड्स, इज व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन माई हेड. तो मैंने हमेशा से सोचा था कि ये दिस शुड नॉट बी इट, इसमें अपग्रेड होने चाहिए. तो वी फाइनली केम अप विद एन अपग्रेड विद द नेम प्रोजेक्ट मायावी. Mayavi is not a negative word, let me tell you beforehand, like please do not take it that way. Mayavi is something magical. We are trying to host one small teaser of what we would like to do in the future with Project Mayavi. जो हम लोगों को फ्यूचर में चाहिए प्रोजेक्ट मायावी से, हम लोग उसकी छोटा सा टीज़र प्लान करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ जून. अपडेट्स जैसे आएंगे मैं आपको देते रहूँगा, बट यस मैं इतना बोलूँगा कि मैं सारी डिटेल शेयर नहीं करूँगा, बिकॉज अगर कोई देखता है, कोई अप्रोच करता है, तो आई वुड लाइक एनीवन who is part of this or wants to be part of this to come and experience it. Details तो share होंगे, there'll be flyers, posters that we'll try to come up with and everything and all. Again fingers crossed, I hope this does go through. कुछ advancements हुए हैं हमारे ideas को लेके. We have got a little bit of support with a few friends that I connected with, and it feels like we can give it a shot. तो हम लोग we are going to give it a shot. तो Project Mayavi is probably coming up with its first event, and I hope wish us all the best. We really need it.
Karaoke nights. We have an audience. Round 2.
They're really hard to get off as well.
Really hard to
Beautiful Lucas and beautiful to make some room for them, everybody. And for the next song, we have Gusto.
But after a point of salt, all the salt was over. What to do now?
These three ladies are up next for a karaoke song, and I'm gonna show you guys the track over there. मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या गाने वाले हैं, लेकिन बियर असर कर चुकी है और कुछ तो निकलने वाला है. ओ डांसिंग क्वीन एबा. Let's go!
I belong, West Virginia. I belong. Take me home, country road. Show some Nepali steps. Nepali steps. Good evening, fellow viewers. You know that it has been a happening night at the hostel. Where are you from, buddy?
From Mumbai.
Oh, nice. From Calcutta.
Oh, nice.
Good to see you. What's your name?
Vikas, yours?
Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Yes. You leaving tonight?
Yeah, so like I plan, like tomorrow I will be for going to Mustang.
Okay, nice, nice. Mustang is a beautiful place, bro. We are leaving tonight. I think you were there for the DJ night also, na?
Like today I just came.
Oh, okay, okay. Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you, man.
Subscribe to.
You have a YouTube channel?
I make content on Insta. Like I was saying to subscribe
Oh,
to you.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Just subscribe to her. What good name?
Charlotte Vasa Vlogs.
Subscribe to Sharon Masal.
आप कर दो यार, brother. आप कर दो.
एंड फॉलो आपका नाम
Must Vikas.
विकास एंड फॉलो विकास
Thank you.
someone's found their dream tool that they want to use for their vlogs लेकिन मैडम गिम्बल ही नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो मेरे को इसका थोड़ा सा डर है आप लोग प्लीज़ मैडम को थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट दिखाओ और बताओ और सजेस्ट करो कि वो यूज़ करें इट विल बी ग्रेट
इसका क्वालिटी कंपेयर टू आईफोन कैसा है? ये जूम आउट एंड जूम इन. ओह वाह, ओके.
some people want to edit with Charlotte I think and someone wants to sleep over here
Where'd you go?